So it's the next day, the day after my birthday. As y'all seen, I really didn't record the night of my birthday, but I showed y'all some pictures, a little video clips that I took. We went to a little lounge. It was cool. A vibe. It was a vibe. But yeah, go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Go follow Raekwon on Instagram if you haven't already. We do have a joint channel you can follow us on. It probably looks a little dark right now, but yeah, this is part 2 of my birthday. I'm gonna try to show y'all more, because when I start getting like, when there's a lot going on, I just be like, forget whatever I got going on and make sure I'm doing what I gotta do in the moment. But I'm gonna try to record more for y'all. But yeah, this is part 2. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, go watch it. But yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, get ready. There is a barbecue festival going on today, so we're probably about to go to that. And maybe another club / lounge tonight, but I'm gonna take y'all along. So yeah. Hey guys, we are dressed and we are here at the barbecue festival. And yeah, we just chilling in the car for a minute. We actually went out and looked at what all they had. Y'all, it's so many food trucks. I don't know what to choose from, but we gotta eat because I am hungry. But we came back to the car first of all because it is hot. It rained earlier and you would think it would cool it down, but it is hot. Like super hot. What is you saying?
Don't got a lighter. Don't got a lighter. Crazy.
Anyways, but yeah, we can chill and then go back up there and get some food, and I'll show y'all the food. Anyways, but yeah, I'll show y'all the feed. It's something simple, you know. But yeah.
Damn, hold on, I'm back there. Yeah, bro. Whatever she just said. Yeah.
You're 22. Two at the handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Two at the handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Yeah, it's funny. Okay, y'all, so for the ones that don't know, or who not from here, this is like an annual thing. So it's a barbecue festival where it's a lot of vendors up here. Like if you have a small business, you can come set up here. And then there's a lot of food trucks up here as well. Like, it's a little chill vibe, but
I try to resist, can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the bitches on replay. Sit right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
okay, y'all, we finna do a taste try for y'all. It's barbecue nacho fries. It's good.
They ain't need that seasoning on top.
It didn't, but it's good, y'all. I like the fries better than the chips. We don't know what we gonna get yet.
Well, it's on my Facebook page, so if y'all are on Facebook, pinned at the top, I have Bachelor Sweet Rolls. So it's kind of like Cinnabon style cinnamon rolls, except I did about 30 other flavors on my actual page. These are just ones I bought. Probably, yeah. I've tried them all too. Yeah, you gotta go. I think I want the peach cobbler one.
Okay. Is that the peach cobbler or is that the maple? We can get you a
$5. Thank you.
Some of these wouldn't even hardly fit in. Here we go. That's the thing right there.
You, I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Okay guys, we are back in the car eating it up. So as y'all seen, we got us some barbecue nacho fries and some honey hot wings. I put the ads on the screen because like I said, these are small businesses as far as a vendor, clothes, you know, those small stuff, or if it's food, these are small businesses. So I put their ad on the screen. We also got some sweets from a little smaller business. I'll show y'all that in a second. But overall, it's good. I honestly prefer the fries over the chips for the nachos. What do you think?
Yep. Yep.
He amazing these wings over here.
It's easy.
Mm.
The fries good. She take over my food.
I ain't took up his food. He's sharing with me. It's not on my food because I'm sharing with him.
She like, you been eating all that. Hell nah.
He was eating it all.
It's the only time she want to share with me today. I'm not finna eat one of your women. She like, you can eat 3. This is my first time ever.
Yeah, cause we sharing. He acting funny.
We
Come on.
always supposed to share though. She don't be wanting to share. Y'all should see it.
Nah, listen. Every time we get two or something, because we can't never decide on stuff, so we're like, ooh, let's eat both, let's share it. We always share it. They ain't no me and mine.
Even in the mix of that, if it's something that she wanted, she do not want to share. Real talk. Watch it. You got a problem with sharing?
Yes.
I did.
I do, y'all. But it ain't, I got a problem with sharing. The problem is, he asked when I'm on my last leg of something that I really wanted. He asked when I'm on my last bite of it.
It can be the beginning. I'm still, she's still giving the same.
Okay, well, it could have been because I asked you what you want. You want some? It could have been because of that.
You the king of that. That's crazy. I was just finna say that, something like that. No cap. Go to the stop like, you want something? Nah. Get to the house. She the one who opened the bag up. 5 minutes open.
It's good overall. It's getting pretty packed up here right now. But we finna leave. We came, we got what we wanted, which was the food. Okay, y'all, this next clip is me eating the wings and I'm smacking a lot and loud. So if you don't like it, mute it or don't watch. Wait, they're good?
I do my thing. Can't leave it up. Yeah, they got the most. They gave her napkins in it.
I there. Between your legs.
So she up here looking like a celebrity. Put the shades on. Put the shades on.
I look normal.
She look like she's a celebrity, yeah. She make me look a little good, don't she? She knew it. I ain't ate out of my fries.
Two stingy people do not mix.
I'm not stingy.
Definitely.
She ate it out. Right there. She ain't gonna want to share the mile, whatever it is.
You eat the biscuit. Little mukbang for y'all. Mukbang.
I ain't put no carrots and celery.
Ain't no fun with it.
No, I'm saying they ain't even put it on there. Wings,
Oh my god.
celery. It's got on your shirt.
A little bit, but you ain't gonna be able to see it.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtue, got one, and that there's the only two. Man, how many times have I shown it through? Man, how many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road. Okay, funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we.
Y'all, look at this. This is a peach cobbler cinnamon roll. It looks so freaking good. I can't wait to eat it. I'm warming it up. When I do, Raquan got the, what was this? Lemon blueberry bread. Oh, they put the ingredients on here. That's neat. But lemon blueberry bread. He gonna warm his up too. It looks so good, y'all. It look moist just from looking at it right here. Okay, y'all. We did record last night. He fell asleep. He fell asleep per usual, so we didn't go anywhere. It's super loud in here. I hope y'all can hear me. But right now we are at, it's the next day, we are at Harry's Italian, the Italian restaurant. We already ordered. They gave us some bread and some oil with seasoning. You know, I'm used to butter, but this with the oil.
They gave us olive oil.
He said they gave us olive oil. Hold on.
That's what it tastes like for real.
See? That's what it tastes like though. Like the seasoning give it a little oomph, but I would prefer butter. And we ordered pasta and it came with a side salad. We both got Caesar salad, and we halfway done with it because I started a little late on recording. But there's the salad, and then we also got a spinach dip. But yeah, we're waiting on our food. Yeah, they're good. So far, we ain't got our main entree yet. What? Oh, yeah, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. This is new in Millington. If y'all know where this is, but I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. It looks like in here, it's real. It's giving aesthetic. It's real nice, real, you know. But we just got our food. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the food. Y'all just seen her putting the cheese in it. I'm gonna show y'all the food. This is mine. I forgot what kind I got. You know what kind you got?
Cheese tortellini.
Oh yeah, cheese tortellini. He wanted shrimp and his. And then I got the spicy something. I forgot. But yeah, this is the food. Mm-hmm. Mine good though.
Need salt, man.
He gotta have salt in everything he eats.
I'll take that now. It's good though.
You got fancy noodles.
Good, better.
You wanna taste it? Them little red peppers good.
Some pepper.
I don't know what it is, but it look like pepper, but they good though, they're not hot.
I thought that was bacon.
You wanna try?
Eat that.
Good.
Yeah.
I see her face.
Yours turn like a piece of it.
It's doing all it. It's that pepper. Cause without it, it don't taste like that.
It's doing good though. Damn. I need that in mine.
At least they did big shrimp.
Get a what?
Big shrimp.
Oh yeah. They might minimize them motherfuckers on the food. Mexican restaurant went all the way down.
They probably did. They're ridiculous.
Happy night, Luke. Thanks again.
That might go loud here.
It's good, y'all. If y'all like Italian stuff, like pasta, honestly, they don't have like a wide, they don't have a big meal. All they got is pasta and pizza. But if you like stuff like that, you come try it. It's good. I'm a pasta girl. I like pasta, but I also like pizza too, though. We want to try the pasta first. You can get pizza that's already like, you get options of a pizza that they give you, or you can customize your own pizza. So I think that's pretty good.
They got wine too. You tell them they got wine. They got wine.
They got wine too. If you feeling jazzy, they got cocktails. I think this is sun-dried tomato. What's that? But after this, y'all, we're going to the movies to see The Little Mermaid. Hopefully they got the option for it in 3D, because I really want to see it in 3D. But yeah.
Damn, I'm cool.
I am too. It was that bread.
They need to switch that for some butter or some shit. You don't want to take no oil.
But we're gonna finish eating and then we'll see y'all when we leave here or get to the movie. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, we are back in the car. But I told y'all they only had 2 options on the menu. Why did somebody get a steak? Cause if we wouldn't known they had a steak, we would have got a steak.
I sure.
But yeah, so if y'all want to try, come try. Y'all might notice it. We didn't notice it on the menu, so we might have overlooked it. But yeah, it was pretty good overall. The aesthetic of the inside is nice. So yeah, I gave it. What you give it out of 10?
I give it a 7.5, 8.
I give it an 8 out of 10. Cause it's nothing too crazy, but it's nice and the food is good. So
We gotta try something else too, though.
yeah, we gonna try that with pizza. You wanna try that pizza?
Yeah, but we still gotta get 2 different things, though, so we can.
Yeah, we like to get 2 different things when we go out because we want to try different stuff. So he get one thing, I get one thing, and then we kind of share it. But we had a debacle about that at the festival.
Ah, no. Yo, Well, nah, I'm gonna give them an 8 though, just cause they shrimp though. They shrimp a nice.
No,
size.
they shrimp are a nice size. We always complain about shrimp when we go places because people be stingy. Restaurants be stingy with the shrimp.
Yeah.
Like it be small shrimp, and then you choose to give us 4 of them. No, baby.
Yeah, they gave us a good bit too.
No.
You see?
Okay, y'all, I turned the camera around. But yeah, they be stingy with the shrimp.
Yeah, hibachi. Them just got some nice size shrimp. And they gave a good bit, but she's so traumatized.
Yeah, y'all, I got sick real bad off of hibachi. But around that time, it was COVID. But
She had it.
yeah, I think I did have COVID, but didn't know. But y'all, I had ate hibachi, and when hibachi first opened, me and Raekwon was on it so bad. Cause it's good, like they got some good food. But after that, I am traumatized. I would never go back. I was so sick, and I'm the type of person, I don't want to throw up. I hate to throw up. I will try to hold it back as much as I can. But y'all,
Man, y'all, that shit fat.
it was good, and I liked it when I was eating it. But it's like now, I hate the smell of it. So when he get it, I be like, ugh. Just the thought of it make my stomach hurt. For real. That's how bad it is.
Just be the noodles. Damn, let them
But right now we on the way to the movies. Like I said, we gonna see The Little Mermaid. We might see The Little Mermaid. I heard it's 3 hours, but
He said, Mike.
we gonna see. Yeah, I hate when people ride my tail. Like, if you can ride my tail, I'm finna go even slower. Don't help me. I'm not sure what this glare is over there in his face, but it's a little annoying. But yeah, we'll see how we make it to the movies.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only 2. Man, how many times have I shown it through? Man, how many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day.
She's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's it's and what's it's galore.
y'all seen. We were at the movies. I put some little clips in there for y'all. I didn't want to put a lot because I didn't want to spoil it. But y'all, it was 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for me. I loved it. They did a really good job as far as the effects and incorporating her dreads into it. Like, I loved it. But what you think?
That joint was great. It was alright.
He was ready to go.
No, I wasn't. It was great. It's just, you know,
Yes.
folks made it real instead of.
I like it like that though, because you know some cartoons that they make real, like Lion King, I hated that. I would have preferred like them just to keep the Lion King cartoony, but the Ariel they did so good, and we were saying that it'd be good. It would have been like better in 3D.
Yeah.
Cause I like the underwater things and it had the little scenes. It would have been good in 3D, but it was good to me overall. 10 out of 10. I loved it. It is 3 hours long, but I mean, if you like watching movies, then it's not gonna be a big deal. But yeah, I definitely recommend y'all go see that.
Yeah, it was on straight for sure though.
Yeah, I liked it.
It was on straight. I ain't go to sleep. So.
Yeah, he didn't go to sleep because he always going to sleep on movies. He was squirming over there though.
Yeah.
Like he ready to go.
I was trying to I was just trying to stay because I felt myself. But it was great though.
Yeah, I really liked it though.
You thought I was gonna go to sleep, didn't you?
Yeah, because it was 3 hours long, but you didn't.
It was like 2.5. It wasn't no full 3, was it?
No, it wasn't. We left. It was over at 11, so it was about 2.5 hours. Yeah. But yeah, we're just chilling right now. I do want to watch that movie though.
What movie? That scary movie?
That movie is not scary.
The one we were watching yesterday?
Non-Perfect Strangers.
I guarantee you, them folks, they trapping people.
Comment down below if y'all if y'all watch Non-Perfect Strangers on Hulu. We just started, like we're fresh in, and I like it so far. I'm a little confused. Like obviously you gotta get into it, especially if it's like episodes, but I like it so far. He think he got it figured out, but I don't think it's what he thinking.
They're doing great. They're starting out straight, but I'm telling you, them folks is just the eyes. And then she told the dude that, like, give me your phone. We got policies.
That shit, they took everybody's phone.
They finna trap them. Like,
I don't know if it's dead though.
Y'all can't go nowhere. Somebody finna come up missing.
I ain't never had a cherry coke. It's good though.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna drink some of your Sprite.
I want my pasta.
I forgot we had that. I want the shrimp out of there.
But yeah, guys, there's nothing much more. This is the end of my birthday.
Wait, what do you give it?
What?
Your little birthday week.
I give my birthday a 10 out of 10 just for being able to celebrate, and like I told y'all in the beginning, I don't have to do a lot. I'm just thankful. But yeah, didn't do much, but I enjoyed my little weekends. But it's time to head back to the workhouse. I don't want to, but
I wish I could go in tomorrow.
you got to. Gotta do what you gotta do. But wish me a happy birthday in the comments. I'm not sure. This probably gonna be the end, but I'm not sure yet. But we really want to try to do more as far as YouTube. So interact with us and let us know what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see more vlogs like these? Do you want the vlogs to be together, like hour-long vlogs? So let us know what y'all want to see from us. Vlogs, challenges if that's still a thing. Just let us know what y'all want to see from us, and we'll try to give it to y'all.
Prank's gonna go crazy.
Boy, don't blame me.
You got your own drink.
Boy, be quiet. Just let us know what y'all want to see, and we got y'all. How about that? Put this lighter down. We're about to close it out. Get settled in. Relax. Eat the rest of my food.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
Like always.
Other stuff is left.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what y'all want to see next so we can get active with this YouTube. Right?
Yep, I let you pimp.